DXY loses strength, of course. This gives Bitcoin a lot of strength. They are inversely correlated. So every time the dollar strength goes down and this indicator turns red, the price of Bitcoin tends to pump. Not only that, is that when the dollar loses strength and start retesting this downward trend line, it shows that that Bitcoin might be, the bull run might be finishing in this case. So the first time it touched it, Bitcoin saw resistance. The second time it touched it, Bitcoin saw the top, which was the 2020 top. Not 2020 top, it was 2017 top bull market, which was around 20,000 USD. And if we follow the last time that this pattern happened was exactly after the pandemics. Bitcoin started, USD index started losing support or losing strength, lost this support level. The indicator showed red. Bitcoin went on a massive bull run. That finished exactly where? Exactly when the DXY retested the downward trend line. As soon as we touched, it was actually the top of the bull market. Although we had a double top, this indicator showed that this was already the top before the double top. Hello guys, welcome to NXBTO new video, and in this video I'm going to give you a quick update on the price of Bitcoin, where we want to highlight what we mentioned on one of our previous videos, is that as we can see, the DXY is currently retesting this downward trend line. So it has done it in the past 2 times based on our analysis, and we want to compare this touch, we want to compare this retest to these retests of DXY on this trend line. So basically, as we explained on our previous video, when the DXY retested this line after losing major support, coming down, losing this support and bouncing back to retest this downward trend line, DXY formed this upward slope, this upward trend line. So basically went there, retest, got about a 25% correction, but and then got rejected on this downward trend line, bounced from this support and retest the downward trend line for the second time. So on the second touch, you can see on this green arrow, Bitcoin saw the top of the bull market. So the first touch was a correction, and then with finding support on this trend line, this support, we saw a major acceleration in the price of Bitcoin with the second touch of the DXY signaling the top of the bull market. So we want to find the similarities on this trend, the current trend. We saw Bitcoin losing the support on this green line, bounced to retest the downward trend line in this case, just like we did for on this on 2017. What we want to know is that if Bitcoin, if the DXY will now correct to retest the top of this upward trend line or this support line and bounce to touch to retest this downward trend line for the second time, this downward trend line. So based on our previous video, we mentioned that Bitcoin was giving us this double buy signal, which is very accurate, at least for the last time he flashed. He flashed 2 times at the same time, 2 indicator flashing at the same time. The first time we saw more than 200%. The third time we saw a price movement more than 800%. So we want to see if this double buy will give a strength to Bitcoin to continue this upward momentum. So based on the fact that we are currently finding support at the top of our channel, so basically with Bitcoin finding support at the top of our channel, with DXY finding resistance on major trend line, our rejection from the DXY on this trend line could repeat a bounce on Bitcoin and could reflect on a bounce from Bitcoin to the upside, considering that we have a double buy signal and considering what happened in 2017 on the bull market on 2017. So basically, with Bitcoin touching this level, we believe that our rejection from DXY compared to this one, our rejection from here could give Bitcoin another leg to the upside based on the fact that we have found the support at the top of our channel, based on the fact that we have a double buy signal. So we think this is a possible scenario. We have more points, more evidence pointing that we could have potentially another leg to the upside based on these 3 major patterns. So support, double buy, and similarities on the 2017 bull market. So that's what we wanted to show you guys today. We hope you appreciate this video. Thank you very much.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you on our next video.